Today we are in Aberdale doing another concession cleaning. This is the softball concession. The baseball concession recommend us to do the softball. So today we are going to clean and sanitize, remove everything from the floor, clean, degrease the floor, because tomorrow they're going to paint. We have to clean the sink, sanitize, remove the dust from the vents. You're going to see another video how we are going to do it. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. Bye. All the tables needs to be clean and degreased and sanitized. We can do much better for this. Remove all the things that is from the bottom part. The toilet. First step is we already remove everything that was on the floor. We're gonna take it out and pressure wash that. We already put all the soda boxes inside the refrigerator. We're gonna remove everything from the floor so we have a space to clean. What we did in this area, we removed everything from the bottom part. Why? Because we have to clean the floor. So we put all the coffee machines on the bottom of the shelf, and Sonia is cleaning the shelf and maximize the space. Meaning, if there is an empty box and you can put more pepper shakers in one box, you put it. See what is empty. For example, she just compact the disposable paper shaker in one box. This is an empty box, so we can throw it out and reduce the boxes, organizing to look more presentable from the concession people. On the bottom of this shelf was all the cleaning supplies for cleaning the grill. So I put it inside a container. This is a clear container where I put the aluminum sponges, the degreaser for the fryer, the grill screen cleaner, sponges, the grill pads, the soldering cleaning pads, and we empty this box. I don't like to have a lot of boxes, and I like to maximize space and be more clear and clean. So there is teenagers and they have more organized their stuff. Beside that, carton boxes accumulate a lot of odor, so that's another reason why we don't like to use that. It came so good, so clean, and so sanitized. Really good. Citric acid and Dawn detergent is an excellent mix to descale, to clean, to remove grease, mineral deposits, and make the sink really shiny and clean. And scrub. And a little bit of scrubbing action with your hand. It's gonna look really good. Okay, the sink is clean. It's old, but it's clean. And this refrigerator has some stains. You're gonna use this from Infinity Chemical Solution, Rust Magic. These are rust stain removal. They did a really good job in this area. After that, it's soap. And you can use a magic eraser and it's good enough. And this is improving the surface. That's what we want. The bottom shelf is clean, the top is clean, the refrigerator outside look much better about the rust. This area we clean the rust too. We love to use a steam cleaner because it doesn't leave any kind of residue and it's easy to use and looks amazing on video. This is Sonia Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. 407-572-4118. We really appreciate that you are seeing our short videos. Thank you for watching and enjoy. the grease, the dust, and the grime is off. Tomorrow they're gonna paint, so it's gonna be good. Ya, ahora sí. So we're gonna wash this. We already cleaned the AC vent. The girls already reorganized this closet. The shelf are clean, and we clean we grease the floor, but they're gonna paint all the floor. But everything is clean, all the shelf, the machines, the sink. The utility sink is clean. Everything is clean. Then tomorrow they're gonna come and paint the floor. Light? Where is the light here? Let's see. Here is the moon, and we are in Abuja. We just finished. It's dark already, but we are done. Done. Be careful, be careful. So tired, but everything was done. Just be careful, okay, please. Be careful. Nobody's here. But we have a moon over there. We already cleaned the concession building, and it's cold, but we are happy because we finished. Thank you for watching. Go around.